We are Seeed. Today we're having a hackathon at the Makerspace of Chaihuo. So today we're building a robot arm starting from zero. We're using diffusion policy, ACT, and also imitation learning. All these tools is provided by the LeRobot framework. Let's get started and see how we build that. We have two teams for today's internal hackathon. One is hardware assembly, another is software algorithm. Hardware teams work including preparing all the components for SO-100 arms. They need to do 3D printing, assemble all the components, and then do the calibration, and finally moving forward on the data collection. The algorithm team starts from the environment setting up, and then they do the calibration and data collection through the tally operation, and then they train a efficiency and ACT model. Finally, they're moving forward on the deployment for their demo.
We are currently collecting data for the LeRobot arm. There's one camera here and another camera there for the image collection. And our goal is to put the black pen in the black box and the red pen in the red box. And the robot die.
LeRobot provides all the development tools, datasets, pre-trained models, and also environments for building up the robot arm starting from zero. So if you are a
Product designer,
software engineer,
application engineer,
test engineer,
product manager,
or you're like a non-technical background like me, you can also build a robot arm starting from the zero, made it very easy. We will host more hackathons in 2025, so join us!